Hello everyone, welcome to my bilingual channel. My name is Elnaz, I'm a polyglot. I learned English, French and Turkish using my own method, and now I'm here to help you do the same. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to use polite words and expressions in French and understand the difference between tu and vous. Politeness is an important part of French culture, so make sure to stay with me until the end. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and tap the like button. Alright, let's get started. To be polite, we need to know some useful phrases. For example, thank you, how are you doing, you're welcome. But before we continue and talk about these phrases in detail, please listen to the audio first and we will come back right after.
Bonjour, Monsieur Ludovic.
Bonjour, madame, ça va?
Ça va, et vous?
Ça va. Un café?
Oui, s'il vous plaît, merci.
Vous aimez mon café?
Oui, il est super. Bonjour, Monsieur Ludovic.
Bonjour, madame, ça va?
Ça va, et vous?
Ça va. Un café?
Oui, s'il vous plaît, merci.
Vous aimez mon café?
Oui, il est super.
As you heard in the audio, there was a conversation between a waiter and a client in a restaurant. In this conversation, they used the word vous. Vous means you, but in a formal way. We use vous when we are not close to someone or when there is a distance in the relationship. In formal situations, for example, when you speak to a waiter, a teacher, or someone you don't know, it's always better and more polite to use vous. So here, vous means you, and we use it in a formal situation. So just before we go to the next audio, I'm gonna translate the conversation in English. Bonjour, Monsieur Ludovic. Hello, Mr. Ludovic. Bonjour, madame. Ça va? Hello, madam. How are you doing? Ça va. Et vous? I'm fine. And you? Ça va. Un café? I'm fine. Coffee? Oui, s'il vous plaît. Merci. Yes, please. Thank you. Vous aimez mon café? Do you like my coffee? Oui, il est super. Yes, it's great. Now we are going to listen to an audio between two friends that are close. Please pay attention to the words.
Bonjour, Anna.
Bonjour Sarah, ça va?
Oui, ça va, merci. Et toi?
Ça va bien, merci. Tu veux un croissant?
Oui, merci, il est très bon.
Tu veux un café?
Oui, s'il te plaît.
Excuse-moi, le café est chaud.
Ah, pas de problème. Merci.
De rien.
Au revoir, Sarah.
Au revoir Anna, à bientôt.
Bonjour, Anna.
Bonjour Sarah, ça va?
Oui, ça va, merci. Et toi?
Ça va bien, merci. Tu veux un croissant?
Oui, merci, il est très bon.
Tu veux un café?
Oui, s'il te plaît.
Excuse-moi, le café est chaud.
Ah, pas de problème. Merci.
De rien.
Au revoir, Sarah.
Au revoir Anna, à bientôt.
So we listened to two different dialogues. In the first one, the two people didn't know each other very well. They weren't close, so they used vous, means you. In the second one, it was a conversation between two people who were friends. They used the word tu, means you. In French, we say tu when we speak to someone we know well, and vous when we speak to someone we don't know very well or when we want to be polite. Just like in Persian and Turkish. In Persian, we have to and shoma, and in Turkish, we have san and siz. But in English, we only use you for both formal and informal situations. So, in French, we use tu with our family members, our friends, and with the people we are close to. But please, pay attention. If you don't know someone very well and you use tu, it can sound impolite and too familiar. Before we finish, I'm gonna translate the second conversation in English. Bonjour Anna. Hello Anna. Bonjour Sarah. Ça va? Hello Sarah, how are you doing? Oui, ça va, merci. Et toi? Yes, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Ça va bien, merci. Tu veux un croissant? I'm fine, thank you. Do you want a croissant? Oui, merci. Il est très bon. Yes, thank you. It's very good. Tu veux un café? Do you want a coffee? Oui, s'il te plaît. Yes, please. Excuse-moi, le café est chaud. Sorry, the coffee is hot. Pas de problème, merci. No problem, thank you. De rien. You're welcome. Au revoir, Sarah. Goodbye, Sarah. Au revoir, Anna. Goodbye, Anna. À bientôt. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you like this video, please subscribe, tap the like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lessons. We are moving step by step from A1 to B2 and even beyond. Keep practicing every day, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.